Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with specific gear: a wrench for dislodging parts, a torch to spot metal glints, and binoculars to scout from distance. Move immediately to high ground. Rooftops reveal HVAC units and vent covers that often hide metal parts. Once on a roof, sweep edges and climb down near industrial buildings. Those zones spawn scrap more reliably. Make sure to mark found stacks on your map so you don't retread ground and waste stamina. This saves time and reduces risk. Once you have rooftops mapped, work a systematic path through adjacent streets and alleys. Search abandoned cars, crates, and workbenches for concentrated part drops. Use short distraction noises or firecrackers to pull zombies to one side, then sprint in, grab parts, and exit. This preserves supplies and health. Make sure to check vendor inventories and traders periodically because they rotate components. Buy if prices are reasonable. Doing this reduces backtracking and builds a steady stockpile of. You finish by returning to your safe house, sorting parts by type, and crafting high-priority items so inventory stays clear and you can continue farming. If you find parts are scarce, switch to daily challenges or targeted bounties that reward components. These are efficient and repeatable. If a location seems empty, reload a checkpoint or fast travel to reset spawns and then try an alternate route. This often respawns overlooked metal parts and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.